Do you want to adjust the volume of your Tesla's navigation voice? This video will show you how to turn the directions up or down for optimal clarity and safety. Tesla offers intuitive ways to control the navigation prompts, ensuring you never miss a turn. As of December 2025, this feature is available on all Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck variants running software v2024.12 or later. The primary method for adjusting navigation volume is through the 15-inch touchscreen. This large central display provides easy access to all vehicle controls. Start by tapping the Controls button, usually located on the main screen or in the Quick Access panel. From the Controls menu, select Audio and Video to access all sound-related settings in your Tesla. Within Audio and Video, select the Navigation option to specifically adjust the voice directions. In the navigation settings, you'll see a slider that lets you adjust the volume precisely from 0 to 100%. Simply drag the slider to your preferred level for clear voice directions. This touchscreen interface provides a clear, visual way to customize your navigation voice volume for the best driving experience. Tesla's voice command system provides a hands-free method to adjust the volume. Simply say, "Hey Tesla," followed by commands like turn up navigation volume, increase directions, or make navigation quieter. The system adjusts the volume in 10% increments. This is perfect for on-the-go adjustments while keeping your focus on the road. With the 2025.4 software release, Tesla introduced contextual volume profiles. This feature allows you to set different volume levels for city versus highway driving. The system automatically adjusts the volume based on your environment, ensuring optimal audibility. You can customize these profiles in the navigation settings of your Tesla. Tesla's recent software updates, such as version 2025.10, incorporate ambient noise detection to automatically adjust navigation voice volume. The system increases volume when detecting high noise levels, such as on windy highways or in heavy traffic. This feature uses data from Tesla's onboard sensors to adapt seamlessly to your driving environment. The car's sound system processes this data to ensure clear navigation directions without manual adjustments. Tesla stores your navigation volume preferences within your user profile, which syncs across vehicles. This ensures that your preferred volume levels are automatically applied whenever you drive, maintaining a consistent and personalized driving experience. This feature is linked to your Tesla account. If you experience issues with Tesla navigation voice volume, common problems include outdated software, lag in noisy environments, or voice command misrecognition. First, keep your Tesla software up to date. Navigate to Controls on the touchscreen, then Software, and select Check for Updates. Regular updates fix bugs and improve voice recognition. For lag in noisy environments, speak closer to the vehicle's microphone or switch to touchscreen volume controls. The system may struggle with ambient noise interference. To recalibrate the voice command system, access Controls on the touchscreen, then Voice and Audio, and select Recalibrate Voice. This helps the system better recognize your commands. Finally, check for firmware updates regularly. These updates optimize navigation voice performance and resolve any lingering issues with volume adjustments. Looking ahead, Tesla's navigation features are trending towards AI personalization and augmented reality integration. Future updates may include predictive volume adjustments based on learned preferences. Integration with augmented reality overlays on the windshield will provide enhanced navigation guidance. Keep an eye out for these exciting advancements in upcoming software releases.